Good morning, one and all. I'm Hafsa from class 10. Today, April 13, 2021, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, also known as Amritsar massacre, was a massacre that happened on 1919 April 13th on Amritsar. World War I began with a large support and friendliness towards the United Kingdom from the leaders of India. This was not expected by the British, who thought there may be a revolt. India helped a lot to the British war effort by providing men and resources. About 1.3 million Indian soldiers and workers served in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, while both the Indian government and the princes sent large supplies of food, money, and ammunition. However, Bengal and Punjab were areas where people still did not like the British. Terrorist style attacks in Bengal were connected with the unrest in Punjab. Also, from the beginning of the war, the overseas Indian population, mainly from Canada, Germany, and the United States, tried to start a rebellion in India similar to the 1857 uprising, with Irish, Republican, German, and Turkish help. A large conspiracy was made called the Hindu-German conspiracy. This conspiracy also tried to make Afghanistan not support British India. It is named after the Jallianwala Bagh temple in the northern Indian city of Amritsar, Punjab. On April 30, 1919, British Indian Army soldiers started shooting at an unarmed crowd of men, women, and children. The person in charge was Brigadier General Reginald Dyer, the military commander of Amritsar. The shooting lasted about 10 minutes. According to official British Raj sources, 379 people were killed. According to the other sources, there were over 1,000 deaths with more than 2,000 hurt badly. And civil surgeon Dr. Smith said that there were 1,500 casualties. Thank you.